How to save a Google form. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can save a Google form. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're already on the Google form and you have created a form, and if you're wondering how you can save it, worry not. Google Forms automatically saves your progress as you create or edit a form, as long as you're signed into your Google account. There is no save button because everything updates is in real time. So all the changes that you make in your form, that is adding questions, adjusting settings, or modifying answer choice, is instantly saved. You can close the tab and return later and your form will be just as you left it. And if you're working on a shared form with collaborators, their edits are also saved automatically. So I have created one form here. Now if I just go back, and my form will be saved automatically. So the next time I open up the Google form, I can simply open up the form from this tab that says recent form. But you have to make sure that you are logged in with your Google account. To see your account, navigate to top right corner and there you can see your profile icon. If you're not signed in, the change may not be saved. So in this way, your Google form is automatically saved under your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.